Validate a new instrument before routine use by checking its calibration with known standards, running quality control samples with known values, verifying precision and accuracy through repeated measurements, and comparing results with an established method or reference instrument. Think of the instrument like a new scale you bought for baking. First, you make sure it reads correctly by placing weights you already trust on it, which is the calibration step using standards. Then you weigh a few items, you know the answer for many times to see if the readings stay the same, which checks precision. You also compare those measurements to a trusted instrument or a certified sample to confirm accuracy, and you write down how much the new instrument can vary so you know what counts as acceptable. Finally, you set up routine checks and maintenance steps so the instrument keeps working the same way over time. A common mistake is trusting the manufacturer calibration without verifying it yourself, so always run your own standards and controls to confirm performance. Another error is assuming one successful run proves the instrument is reliable, so perform repeated measurements and document limits of detection and reproducibility to be safe. People sometimes skip comparing with an established method, and the quick fix is to run parallel samples on the old method or a reference lab to ensure agreement. For more videos and resources on validating instruments and laboratory best practices, visit www.gumballdegree.com.